Hey you! Need an easy, healthy, and exciting meal recipe?
Well, you're in luck. Get ready to make this burger brighter than your future. Keep watching to make this fuss-free burger recipe.
Place the diced beets onto a frying pan with olive oil and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Leave beets on the stovetop for about 15 to 20 minutes on low heat until they are cooked through.
In a food processor or Ninja, add the beets, chickpeas, brown rice, parsley, white balsamic vinegar, garlic, salt, and pepper. Process the ingredients for about 15 to 30 seconds until everything is mixed together.
From the mixture into patties, you will get about 6 to 8 depending on how big you make them. Place patties on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper.
Place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This will make it easier for when you handle them when cooking.
Place a large pan over medium heat and coat the bottom with olive oil. Once the pan is hot, add the beet burgers and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side.
Then, add the works. We used mayo and spinach. And enjoy your beet burger.
Okay. Try this recipe yourself and let us know in the comments how you liked it.
Or you can use the hashtag GummyBrianna or hashtag PrettyPatties on Instagram to show us what your burgers look like.
Subscribe!